Good day, everyone. This is Jamal again, and this video is not going to be a typical video, and I'm going to share my results on different problems, or particularly open problems, and my efforts towards them. This video will be more towards my own personal journey because I'm trying to balance my pursuit for daring to wrestle with some of these research problems on my own efforts, and also trying to also balance that with the need to also build knowledge as well. So, in light of that, I've decided to, self-study pre-master courses in mathematics. That's the essential bachelor courses needed to at least get into uh, the Dutch university for a master's program. And I'm following that with a model of pre-master systems in Holland, here, Netherlands. I'm trying to model that with universities as I've seen, like Radboud University. So I'll share my screen. And so this has been my goal. So, um, for instance, um, so this. So this is a website. This is my GitHub. So whatever progress I make, I save it in GitHub over here. So let me link this up. So no, it's up over here somewhere. So uh, this is my goal. My goal is to self-study this. So these are some of the programs I'll be following are introduction mathematics, multivariable analysis, real analysis, all these. And like I stated over here, I have some experience with, let's say, linear algebra and real analysis. I have some basic ideas around that. But just to refresh my memory, I just want to go through these things again. And a certain websites or platforms which I will find very helpful. And so, for instance, particularly for linear algebra, tools like MIT Open Courseware is going to be really helpful for me. This is how the system looks like over here. Uh, this is how these are video lectures. I'm going to be following this, but I'll be actually watching it on a YouTube channel, on the YouTube channel. I think I like to follow that more, but it's pretty much the same thing. And afterwards, I'll test myself with the exams. That's what I tend to do. I think, yeah. So, yeah, that's what I intend to do. So, I'll be creating folders on whatever lessons I'm able to self-study. So, I'll study on my own. So, my ambition would be to, to probably every week see how close I can come to finishing one topic or one chapter. Yeah. So, but I mean, the first video or the first lesson I'll begin with personal as a matter of preference. It would be linear algebra. I want to start with linear algebra first. So, I would, I'll self-study and I'll study whatever I want to study. I have a book. I'll share my own book here. It's a special book I bought, I think, at Hema, like, so they call them dummy books, free spaces in them. I'm going to try to use that to cover linear algebra. Probably whatever notes I make, I take snapshots of them, save them like a PDF, and store them in each folder. Yeah. Mm, this would be sort of archives for me following my own system because I think that working on some of these problems, trying out ideas based on raw bit of intuition, a bit of creativity here and there. There's indeed that importance to try to balance that with knowledge. When you balance that with all of these things, I'm able to, it's very easy to connect certain dots to work on certain problems and recognize, this is where I learned this from, this is how I can apply this there. So mm, I created this video sort of in some sense to hold myself accountable because uh, my ambition would be to finish each topic weekly. But today is Wednesday, the 4th of February 2026. So I would like to, I mean, I'll spend between now from today till the end of this week to see how close I can come to finishing um, the course I just showed you earlier, linear algebra. And I also take their tests to see. Hopefully next week could be a different journey, God willing. So I'm only creating this video just to put this out there to just charting out a journey. Mm, There's not too much to say outside of that. And yes, I've just remembered to for a topic like yeah, rings and fields, I intend on using um, the YouTube channel of the fields medalist Richard Borchert. He has a great YouTube channel. Yeah, yeah, this is his channel. I intend to use his channel to also study for a subject like, yeah, rings and fields. You see, it's also a useful his channel, their group theory. I'll use group theory too. And also it's a playlist, rings and modules. Mm, you know, these are also rings and modules. This should be relevant. Yeah. And, yeah. So I would include all those references over here too. So mm, yeah, that's pretty much all I have to share for today. This is this is a very short video. I don't have it's just a plan I just put out there. I think I would like to read to diversify my YouTube channel, working on problems. Also doing this like I've said, reiterated. So, mm, this is where this video comes to an end. So this is just to put something out there. So thanks for watching. Yeah, ciao.